Most people have no idea that how you export your lead magnet PDF in Canva completely changes how it looks once it leaves the Canva platform. Let me show you the 4 mistakes that people make when exporting their lead magnet PDF so you don't have to make those in the future. Once you've created your PDF and you're ready to export it, you are going to go to the share button in the right-hand corner and then go to download. The mistake I see a lot of people make is to just use the default setting, which is a PNG or a JPEG file. If you use the PNG or the JPEG file, you are going to lose all of the links that you've added to your PDF. For instance, your scheduling button so that they know how to reach you once they've read through your lead magnet. Mistake number 2 that I see people make is downloading the PDF print file. This file is too big for what you need when it comes to emailing this out to potential clients. You need the PDF standard version. This is going to be a condensed yet crisp PDF that can easily send through an email or attach to your social media profile. The third mistake I see people make is flattening their PDF. So once you've chosen PDF standard, you have an option to compress or flatten. You do not want to flatten your PDF because again, you're going to lose all of the links that you've added to your lead magnet, which is how they're going to be able to reach you after they read through your content. The fourth mistake I see people make is not checking the links once they download it. So right here we have the PDF standard. We're going to download it here. I will open the PDF up in a PDF viewer and I'm going to scroll through, make sure all of my links are there and going to the correct place. Let me show you what I mean. So right here on this schedule your free call, I have linked this to my Acuity scheduling page. So when I click on that, it's going to take me to that page. So make sure all of your links are going to the right place. You don't want to lose a potential client because they don't know how to find you and what they're supposed to do next. By the way, the lead magnet that you saw me using today is actually a template that I've designed. And next week, I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on that template, as well as my setup guide that's going to help you create your lead magnet, export it correctly, and get it out there so you can start building your email list and building your client base.